Hi guys, today we will talk about Facebook group, that how you can create a new Facebook group. If you're new, so please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Now let's start. So first of all, we will click on our Facebook app. Facebook app is open, and now here we can see this three line in the corner, so we will click on this three line. Now scroll down, and here we can see the group option below the page, so we will click on group. Now after that, here we can see some group, and we will click on your group and the middle of for you and discover. So here we can see create group, so we will click on create group option. Now it will load for few seconds. So after that, here we can see name privacy, so you should give your favorite name here. So I give my group name. And now privacy, choose privacy. So here we can see public and private. So if you wanted to give a public, so you can give, and if you wanted to give a private, so you can also choose private option. So I will give public, and then click on done. So after that, we will click on create group. So now group is creating. So now here we can see invite friends. So here you can invite your friend, Facebook friend, and after inviting friend, you should click on next. And next, here we can see upload cover photo. So here you can give your favorite photo to the group, and then click on next. So after that, here we can see choose goal. So here you can choose your goal. So I will choose the first one, and second one, and the last one, and then click on just next. So after that, here we can see create a post. So if you wanted to create a post now, so you can also post, and if you wanted to post later, so you should click on done. So finally our group is completed, and you can also create your Facebook group. And thanks for watching. Goodbye until to another video.